Low light, steel sky, city breathing in my lungs. Footsteps echo like drums. Tonight the climb begins. I stitch the storm to my jacket, lightning under my skin. Raise the gates of the morning, I'm built to walk in. Cold hands on the railing of 1,000 failed tries, but I learned the codes of heaven by the way the door's denied. Every scar is a signature that says I didn't fold. I turn the asphalt to armor, made a furnace from the cold. Maps on the wall with pins like constellations. I speak in blueprint, deal in declarations. Hungry like a comic, carving through the dark. I keep a fire-fed engine beating where there was a heart.
I gave my fears an exit sign. I gave my will the crown. I'm not here to borrow time, I'm here to buy the town.
Your faith is forged in pressure, set the weight on my chest. I'm a bell made for ringing, hear the thunder confess. Raise your banners high.
Let the skyline witness me. I've got a crown in my chest and an oath that never sleeps. If the world builds walls, I'll turn them into streets. Watch the night say my name as the mountains bow their peaks. Stand with me, iron in our breath. I'm not asking for a throne, I'm building one from steps. Loyal hearts beside me, we don't bend, we don't guess. When the dawn writes the winners, I'll sign it with my
Fire in my bones, drums in my feet. Doors turn to dust when I speak. Roar of the forge, march of the fleet. I carry daylight like a sword, I was born to lead. Numbers in the ledger, risk in the margin. Stacks on the mind like towers in the garden. Suitcase faith, runway soul, take off mindset. Every no was a runway, I ain't landed on yet. I don't chase gold, I meant it from purpose. Value from the ground up, substance over surface. Size on the summit while I'm laying the bricks. And I still say grace when I'm breaking the limits.
I gave my doubts a deadline. I gave my craft a home. If fate won't send a letter, I'll etch it into stone.
I'm wired to the voltage of a never fading yes. Let the city tune its heartbeat to the cadence of my steps. Raise your banners high.
Let the skyline witness me. I've got a crown in my chest and an oath that never sleeps. If the world builds walls, I'll turn them into streets. Watch the night say my name as the mountains stand where meets. Stand with me, iron in our breath. I'm not asking for a throne, I'm building one from steps.
Loyal hearts beside me, we don't bend, we don't guess.
When the dawn writes the winners,
I'll sign it with my sweat. Whispers tried to drown me, now they're part of the choir. Every doubt became a drum, now listen to the fire. Knees to the ground, only when I lace the boots. Roots in the storm, that's how you deepen roots. Still the past, it can spectate, I'm busy with the crown. Tell the stars, take attendance, I'm the brightest in the town. If the gate is made of iron, then my name is made of flame. If they ask who lit the skyline, let them circle around my name. Raise your banners high.
let the skyline witness me. I've got a crown in my chest and an oath that never sleeps.
If the but the vow stays lit. Forward is a habit, not a place I visit. If destiny's a question, I answer it with steps. Long live the work, long live the crest. Head in.